International connectivity of ports will be key in reefer transport. Time reduction will be essential. Valencia Port has excellent connectivity with the 5 continents and therefore is the best choice in the Mediterranean for every shipping line.
The transit time is in the transport of perishable products from the production center to the consolidation platform and the sales point constitute a key factor of competitiveness. The main objective for any perishable exporter is that the product reach the consumer at its peak point of freshness and its maximum point of quality.
Valencia has been the place where the 11th edition of Cool Logistics Global, the main European fair for reefer transport, has been held these days.
So one of the main objectives of this edition of Cool Logistics in Valencia is to continue the conversation about the global development of the perishables industry, looking at the new trends in technology, the new trends in e-commerce and food trade around the world, and how that's going to impact the business of reefer logistics, shipping and port operations as we have here in this leading port of Valencia.
Logistics professionals and representatives of shipping companies and port authorities from all over the world have been talking about the main trends in reefer transport.
The most important trend in reefers these days is availability, is to have reefer containers ready to accept cargo and to process as quickly as possible through existing infrastructure. We need to have transparency, efficiency, but also commercial propriety.
Valencia Port is the first port in the Mediterranean and fourth in Europe in container traffic, and is an ideal platform not only for conventional cargo, but also for perishable goods. It offers cold stores and 3,000 connections for reefer containers and is oriented to transport the products in the fastest and most profitable way, thanks to efficient and integrated customs inspections.